In this quick video, I'll show you how to withdraw Gari Token from Kucoin step by step. So the first step is to go to kucoin.com, then log in using your account. Once you have logged in, make sure that you already have a Gari Token in your Kucoin wallet. You can just go here, click Assets, and click Overview. Now you can choose either funding account or trading account. Now, if you have your Gari token from your trading account, you can just transfer it to your funding account to be able to withdraw your Gari token. Just click here on the trading account and then click transfer. Click here and then type down the amount of Gari token you want to transfer. For example, I want to transfer the maximum amount. Click confirm. Go back to the overview. Click here on the funding account and then click withdraw. Then go to your Phantom wallet or any wallet that supports Gari token. Click deposit, type down Gari, click here, paste the address here, click here, and then select Solana as your network. Click confirm. So take note that the minimum amount to withdraw in Gari token is 6 Gari token. So for example, I want to withdraw 6 Gari token. Click withdraw, click confirm, and then you will gonna need to go through a security verification. So you will need to type down your trading password. Then you can send your email verification code, or you can just type down your Google 2FA code. But if you want, you can switch to SMS verification. Type down your trading password again, click send code. Then once you have typed down the SMS verification code or you have completed the security verification, just click submit and then wait for the transaction to be completed. Then once the transaction has been completed, you can just go back to your Phantom wallet and check if you have received the Gari token. And if you have any questions about how to withdraw Gari token from KuCoin, leave a comment below.